We just found an electric scooter at CostCo for only $300. Come unbox it with us and try it out. The Phantom Go-Go. The scooter gets up to 15 miles per hour, but when we were testing it out, we got up to 20 miles per hour. Most scooters only get 20-mile range. The scooter gets up to 28 miles. It comes with LED headlights, brake lights, and even turning lights. We were more concerned about range than speed, so this was perfect for us. Assembly was pretty straightforward and simple. Now that it's all assembled, let's take it for a ride. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the